my way to an Amish-owned salvage place that is for mobile homes and campers. So we'll see what they have that I might be able to use for my camper. Someone told me about this place. I've never been here before. Looks like I'm at a dead end here. Is there a salvage place here? That one. Okay. Thank you. So this is an Amish farm here. That tiny little girl on the sidewalk. Teeny tiny. This is interesting. There's clothes on the line. Where am I going? Whoops, sorry about that. Big place here. I'm not sure where I go. Look at all that. I don't see anybody. So it's not like a store. It's like they just dismantle mobile homes. Alright, so I'm gonna go inside and see what I can find here. Okay, that was a wasted trip out here. They don't have anything small like what I need. I just need a little tiny circuit breaker box with like 2 or 3 breakers in it. And the smallest one that they had, he said, came from a shed, and it was pretty big. It would take up my whole little dinette bench thing. All the open space in there, most of it anyway. So there's all kinds of parts in there. Doors and windows and all kinds of things. It's an interesting place. I would not expect this to be owned by Amish. See how the laundry is? There's the barn. Couple cows up there. Puts it back in the bracket. And I'm going to end this in a couple minutes. Just thought I'd show you some of the farmland here. There's a nice creek running over there on the right. This is where the ladies I was talking to, they were working in the garden here. So very small. Anyway, see you next video, guys. Give it a thumbs up and please subscribe if you haven't already. Talk to you later. Bye.